Welcome back to class. We have a question on the board and it says that find the value of the sigma n and r beginning from 1 to n of 6r plus 5. We're going to look for the value of this. And in one of my videos I showed the easiest way of doing something like this. I also gave the rule of sigma, the rule of sigma. So we're going to use it here and expand this, and then we're going to get the solution for this. It's going to be equal to, each of them will have their own value. So I have n beginning from 1. This one here is 6r plus this r from 1, then 5. You see, I have this now. Then from one of the rules of sigma, this will come out because it is a constant. It's one of the manipulating rules of sums. One of the manipulating rules. 6 will come out because it's a constant. So I have 6, the sum when r is equal to 1, then here is r plus 5. I'll have to bring 5 out. Just know that it's still constant. 1, then here is 1. So you see, now in these cases, there was one of my video I did. You check it, one of the video I did. This alone, that is this summation is equal to n into n plus 1 over 2. I said the sum of all the natural numbers, or the sum of some specific natural numbers, is equal to this. And look at it, it's the same thing here. So in place of this, I'll put this, because this is the sum of natural number from 1 to n. So I'm going to have 6n. I'm going to have 6n into n plus 1 all over 2 plus. Now this one here, the sum of this, what it will give me is this. If I put my 1 here, it's going to give me n. Do you understand? So if I add, because this is not r, so if I keep adding the number till n, it's just going to give me n. That's the biggest number, because this is not, this is a constant too, right? This is a constant, so it's going to give me n. So in this place, I'm putting my n there. So I'm going to have 5n. I'm going to have 5n. So my 2 here will go with 2, yes, 3. So I'm going to have, from this now, I'll have 3n into n plus 1 plus 5n. n plus 1 plus 5n. Okay, good. So if I expand this, I'm going to have 3n squared plus 3n plus 5, right? So I'm going to have 3n squared plus 8n. So bring n out. I'm having n into 3n plus 8. So this is the value. Whatever value of my n is given to me, if I put it here, I'm going to get the sum of this particular series. So if there's anything you do not understand, you can ask a question in the comment section and I'll do well to answer you. Until then, I'll see you in the next class.